guys, Justin Johnson, MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I get to show you a brand new 2024 Aviara 32. This one is powered by twin 300 V8 Mercuries with the joystick, of course. Extremely spacious swim platform here with Aviara's well-known stadium seating. This is a very unique feature in this boat. Very comfortable for 6 people to sit out at the sandbar. Again, once we make it through, you're going to hear the word spacious a lot on this boat. This is amazing. U-shaped seating, storage underneath every single cushion, including a cooler. Over here you have the optional wet bar, which can also be a grill if wanted. Fridge down here is optional. And then your sink. Move forward to the helm. Well integrated helm, all digital. This will be all of your engine data, your GPS. And then here you're going to control all your lighting and music just from this screen alone. There's the joystick that we mentioned earlier. Spacious head once again with plenty of headroom. There's a sink over here in this corner. And the last place is the bow. Deep gunnel, so it's a very comfortable ride, very dry ride. There is a filler cushion that can go in here to make this all one big sun pad. This boat is available. If you'd like to see it, please come see us. Again, it's Justin Johnson at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. We'll see you on the way.